Well, today we've got something a bit different. We've got the current hack, the plus 30% fixed current hack, which has been available for some years now, using resistors to modify the current sensor detection values. So I'm just going to show you briefly how to do this inside the BCM and the MCM so that it becomes more of a plug and play option. You don't have to hack the actual wiring. Here we have a BCM here and an MCM here, and I've just taken the top off them both, okay, so you can access the printed circuit board. Obviously you need to be reasonably competent with soldering to do this, because the connections that we're going to be looking at are quite small. Now I have marked them. We'll start with the easiest one first, which is the BCM, and this only needs one resistor, and you need a 240R resistor here. This is a probably a half watt resistor, 0.6, and the only reason I chose this really is because it's quite a good physical size, and we have to put it on here. You'll see here we have these two pins here. They're actually mirrored by these two pins here. They're actually the same. They're inside the BCM. Under the other side are 200 ohm resistors across these pins, and these are connected in parallel, giving a resistance of 100 ohms. So we're going to put our resistor between these two pins, which reduces this resistance for the current loop battery current detector. And I'll just put our resistor here, and that reduces the sensitivity of the BCM current sensing circuit. So basically we're going to put our resistor like that and just solder it to these 2 points here, and that's the only modification required by the BCM. So that's quite straightforward, and you can see where that is in the circuit. I'll take a photograph as well just to help identifying that. So we'll move on to the MCM now. This is slightly more complicated. We have to add 8 resistors in quite a small compact space here, and if I zoom in here, hopefully you can see we have a group of 4 connections here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've outlined them with this blue line. These are the phase sensors and the MCM current sensor, and each of these has to have 2 resistors connected to it. And the legs of the resistors go to negative, ground, and positive, which is plus 5 volts. So you can use the micro 1K, these are microscopic 0.125 watt or similar resistors. These are very small, and these are a suitable size for us to, if I put these near where we're going to be attaching them, you can see that they're going to be a suitable size to wire in. So what I'm going to do now is I'll wire them in, and then I'll come back to this video shortly.